You've seen it dominate the track, you've heard the name whispered by racing legends. But did you know the Honda RCB 1000 hides a secret that most riders have never heard of? This isn't just a race bike. It's a piece of engineering that changed the future of motorcycle performance. Underneath its aggressive design lies a 4-cylinder beast, custom-built for endurance racing in the 70s. But here's the twist. The RCB 1000 secretly introduced technology that later shaped modern superbikes, things like gear-driven cams, unique frame geometry, and even early data logging elements, all hidden in plain sight. It's no wonder the RCB 1000 crushed the competition at Le Mans and the Bol d'Or. But few know it was also a test bed for Honda's future sportbike empire. Ever heard of this before? Tell us in the comments below. Smash that like if you love motorcycle history. Subscribe for more hidden stories from two-wheel legends. And ride with knowledge, because behind every great bike is a secret worth knowing.